Guys, we have 4 AI agents in here for you that are templatized and ready to go. You can also build your own and customize what we have here to tailor it to your business. So for example, putting your business name in here so that the AI references your business and your brand details and all of that good stuff. But so I'm going to actually demo this one, and this agent's goal is to help you book an estimate. So if this is a phone call that you missed, maybe you're inside Lowe's and you have poor service, you're busy looking through screws, you're going through your pile of floor joists or something, looking to cull the lumber and whatnot. You're busy, right? You can't get to the phone right now. And if you don't get back to that lead, there's a very good chance that somebody's going to capture it instead of you because they went to the next guy. And so this AI agent is an option for you to utilize to actually go ahead and book your next job on the calendar while you're busy doing your first job. And so let's get started. Here's a web call with this agent.
Hey, this is Erin with your company name. Full transparency. I'm an AI agent here to help route your call to the right person. So, real quick, who am I speaking with?
Oh, my name's Waylon.
Thanks, Waylon. How can I help you today?
I'm looking to replace some carpets on a property I just acquired.
Got it. Are you looking to replace the carpet in just one room or multiple areas? And do you have a specific type of flooring in mind, or are you still exploring options?
Just one room, and I'm thinking of actually changing from carpet to hardwood. But if I do
Uh,
hardwood, I'm going to do the entire house. If I do just the one room, I'll do just the carpet.
Makes sense. So, it sounds like you're deciding between hardwood for the whole house or just replacing the carpet in one room. The best way to get accurate pricing and explore your options would be to schedule a free in home estimate. An estimator can check out the space, bring samples, and help you figure out what works best. So, would you like me to check available times for that?
Sure, sounds great.
All right, let me check our availability for you. One moment. Okay, I have these times available. Monday, May 27th at 10 a.m. Tuesday, May 28th at 2 p.m. Wednesday, May 29th at 4 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Can you repeat Wednesday again?
Of course. Wednesday, May 29th at 4 p.m. Would that work for you?
Sure.
Great. Let's get that locked in. Can I confirm your full name, the best phone number to reach you, and the property address for the appointment?
Wayland Dickinson at 123 ABC Boulevard.
Thanks, Waylon. Just to confirm, that's 123 ABC Boulevard. And what's the best phone number to reach you?
555-5555.
Got it. 555 555 5555. You're all set for Wednesday, May 29th at 4 p.m. An estimator will come to 123 ABC Boulevard, bring samples, take measurements, and help you with your flooring options and pricing. Anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, thank you for your time.
You're very welcome, Waylon. Thanks for calling your company name. Have a great day.
How was that? So that was complicated, right? There was a lot going on there, and it handled it pretty well. Obviously, you're going to want to test this. You're going to want to call it extensively, ask it some questions, customize some things. So one of the things I noticed right there was when it shared the dates and times that were available, it was actually displaying quite a bit of information that might be a little bit overwhelming. So it had 3 different times, and its cadence of speech was a little bit off. And so I'm actually going to go in and tweak that, and we'll be good to go. But these are the types of things that you can do with these AI agents, and you can use these as extensively or as minimally as you need. You can even have it set to where it understands your business hours and will only be active after hours, so that if somebody were to, for example, see a Facebook ad at 8 p.m. and opt in, or just see your phone number somehow and they call you, and they get this AI agent, and it'll handle it and talk about putting you on the calendar, even though you're at home playing with the kids, settling down for bed, so that kind of thing. And we have 4 of these pre-built for you. We have one that's designed to book an estimate. We have one that's designed to just simply let them know that somebody else, a human, will reach out to them, a team member, and you can choose whether you disclose that this is an AI bot. For example, you can change this first message right here. Um, you noticed in the beginning of the call, it actually said your company name, and then disclose that it is an AI agent. You can completely remove that message and not do that. It's up to you. There's all kinds of customability, but um, in addition to the call bots, we also have similarly two text bots. So if somebody texts your number and after a certain amount of time you haven't gotten back to them, it will handle the conversation just as it did here. I'm not going to go through demoing that, but you can imagine it's basically the same thing. It's going to prioritize making the communications a little bit shorter so that you're not getting eaten alive with text message charges. But it handles the conversation for you, puts people on your calendar, or lets them know to expect a phone call from a human being later. And so that's all we have for you on this one. I'll catch you on the next one.